Now we're going to be adding shadows and highlights to this. This is just our base coat. Now looking at this, I feel like I need a little bit more length to some of these, and it's looking a little short along this area and this area. So let me come in with some adjustments. It's very important to take a step back from your painting once in a while and then make a little adjustment. I'm going to add a little bit more length to some of these guys. And you can make this length with a brighter yellow if you want to get in some yellow and white. Let's just add that little bit of length with some bright yellow, because we're going to be doing that soon anyway, some yellow and white. And now we're going to come in and just add some little bright brushes. Oh, look at how gorgeous that is. Anywhere on the petals, we can just brush this lightly and add a hint of orange to some of our petals. We can do it in the middle, on the edges, in the back. Now this is going to take us all the way around the entire flower. We need to go all the way around with yellow and white, adding highlights in as much or as little as we want. We already have all this beautiful base created, and now we can add lots of highlights, as much yellow and white as we want. By coming in here with some bright white and yellow, I'm really adding a lot more dimension to it. And you know what? Sometimes taking a break from it helps you to come back and like be a little bit more free and messy, which is what I've always wanted to be with this painting. I didn't want it to be, remember in the beginning I said I didn't want it to be very tight, but sometimes I have a hard time loosening up. So now I can loosen up a little bit and give it a little bit more, fluff. Okay, I think it almost looks like little petals are kind of coming off of it. I love this. I love this couple of these little bursts of color coming off.